This must be the easiest at-home treatment for dry lips because it works while you sleep. Because I know winter time and the wind and biting your lips doesn't do really good things for your lips, and it leaves them just dry and chapped and lifeless. So this mask works again while you sleep, and it contains only 2 ingredients, so it's super simple. It's made with honey, so it's not vegan, honey and aloe vera, and it will heal dry and chapped lips while adding a beneficial nutrient to it. And it's a rich and creamy formula that not only will add moisture and hydration, but also help to prevent further dryness because it protects from environmental damages. So aloe vera along with the honey will not only boost the nutrition and seal the hydration on the lips, and the honey as well as a lot of good nutrition for the lips in this case, also for your skin, but that's in another time. All you need is very simple: 1 tablespoon of aloe vera and 1 tablespoon of honey, and you just take 1 bowl, put the aloe vera inside, put the honey and mix it together, so it's becoming like this creamy sweetness paste with a little bit of yellow color, you can say. And then before you go to bed, you can use a toothbrush to scrub your lips and prepare them, and apply the mask. It's already glowing, as you can see. Apply the mask and go to sleep. And the best will be in the morning to apply a natural rich lip balm and see the results, because it's sweet and it works.